Want to become a NotebookLM power user? This video is just one episode in a complete NotebookLM series. Watch the full playlist on LionAI and discover every feature step by step. Hi, I am Kalarimti from LionAI. Imagine this, a student is studying for hours with a book in hand, reading page, highlighting notes, feeling super confident. In their mind, they think, yeah, I remember everything. But then, exam day comes. They look at the question paper and suddenly answer is gone. Feels familiar when looking at the book, but without the book, the brain can't recall it properly. Here's what's actually happening inside your brain. When you only read notes again and again, your brain starts feeling familiar with information. But familiar is not memory. Your brain tricks you into thinking, I know this already. But in reality, you never train your brain to recall the answer by itself. And exams test only one thing. Can your brain bring the answer back without seeing the notes? And students who use this method usually learn faster, remember longer, and forget less during exams. Now, here's the interesting part. There is a feature inside NotebookLM that can automatically turn your lesson into smart quizzes. Basically, your own notes become a personal exam system. And once you start using it properly, normal studying starts feeling outdated. Search NotebookLM and go to NotebookLM. Try NotebookLM. Now, create new notebook. Now, I am going to put this link into NotebookLM. Now I press this button. Let's quickly introduce a LionAI product. This mobile application developed by myself, and let's see it. Just type or speak your task naturally. Next Friday I have a meeting at 3:30 p.m. Task Genius AI creates automatically. Turn on assistant mode. Even when the app is closed, a floating assistant shows today's task on your screen. Today's tasks from anywhere. Now I am going to click this arrow button in this area. Number of cards mean you can choose to generate fewer, standard or more cards depending on how much time you have to study. Level of difficulty means you can set the cards to easy, medium or hard. Easy is great for new material to build confidence. Simple question for beginners. Medium is balanced question for normal learning. Hard is best for finding your weak spots once you know the basics. In this area, this section lets you tell NotebookLM exactly what the flashcards should focus on. You can give special instruction like which topic to cover, how the question should be created. But most people still use this feature the wrong way. So today I will show you how to make the AI generated better quizzes. For example, you should give instructions like this. Many AI generated quizzes have the correct answer as a pattern. Many AI generated quizzes accidentally do these things like D, D, C, D, D. Then students stop thinking and start guessing patterns instead. Now I press this generated button. quiz was created. Now I click this. So I select answer and I click this next button. Then I click answer. Now my answer is wrong. But the most powerful part is this. When you answer is incorrectly, the explanation feature teaches you almost like a real teacher beside you.